What's up, guys? It's Thursday morning. It's starting to snow again. Luckily it's not as cold as it was the past couple days. We're going to get Richard's short bed that, if you guys have been following along, I actually owned, and then I sold it to him. It was a turbo truck, and then he took the power plant out of his white truck and put it in this gray one. So, oh shit, blocking the camera. Anyways, he called me this morning. He's gonna get off work a little early, and I've been kind of we're sliding. Anyways, yeah, he called me and was like, hey man, you want to do that truck today? He's getting off work kind of early. I've been kind of slow, so I told him, hell yeah, I'll do it. So fired up Dad's truck, because the other trailer, this truck sits so low it ain't gonna go up on. So I'm gonna hook this trailer, go over to Richard's, grab this truck, and I'll catch you guys whenever we get there and load this thing up. What's going on, guys? We got Richard's truck loaded up. I didn't video none of it just because it's kind of a pain. The thing sits so low. I'll video it whenever I get it off the trailer so you guys can hear it before we do the exhaust. Right now it's just open headers, like a little bit of pipe and a Y pipe, so two merging into one, but there's no mufflers or anything on it right now. So he went ahead and got it all fitted up, so it should be pretty easy and self-explanatory. But we're gonna go get the welder from the other shop so I can take it back to the house and get this thing in and on the lift and go from there. But it's currently fucking snowing again, and we got her loaded up. Nash is just chilling. But anyways, gonna get this thing back to the house and get to welding. So here we go. This thing's pretty fucking gnarly. Don't mind the belt squeak. Yeah, this thing sounds sick as fuck. We'll get it unloaded off the trailer and get it in the shop. You helping me, Nash? Sure I'm lined up on the ramps. You got it? We're good? We're definitely not good. You're awful at this job. What's up, guys? So, got it in the shop. I went to the other shop, grabbed my welder, all the stuff I'll need. My welding table was at the other shop, so we're gonna thug it out on this little plastic table, see how bad we can burn it. But Richard has all the pipe. I'd take all that off because none of it was tacked or anything, so I didn't want to lose any. So I'm gonna get all this unloaded. Get all of it unloaded. I have my filming phone charging right now, so once I actually get started, I'll do a time lapse, and hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna throw a clip in from pulling this thing in, and that way you guys can kind of hear the before and after. But we're gonna get started on this thing. Still ain't sure what mufflers we're gonna use. It's okay, Nash, no one's there. Not sure what mufflers we're gonna use, but we're gonna try to get this thing knocked out. So enjoy. That's temporary.
Oh, it's permanent, dude. Should be hot back here to melt it.
Got her all whipped up into shape. Got the hangers on. About to fire up for the first time with full exhaust. Hey guys, just want to pop in here at the end of this video. This job was extremely fun. I love working with my buddy Richard. The shit talk that we talk in the garage is top notch. Wish I could get it on video. Glad I could finally get him talked into letting me do the exhaust on this truck. But this one was definitely fun. Wait for more content on this truck. This truck's definitely going to be one that we play around with and have some fun with. But that's going to end this video off. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.